How you guys are doing today? It is your boy Romeo. In this video we are going to go over another KillerCoda lab, or basically troubleshooting for the Kubernetes CKA Exam. So in this one it looks like we are going to be troubleshooting a deployment pods that are not running, so we have to fix that issue. Let's see if we could do that. First we'll need to get into the user context. Here we go. So nginx deployment pods are not running. Fix that issue. Okay, that's good. Let's do a get deployment. We only have one, so if we now do pod, we can see that it is in the init status right here. If we do, so since there is only one, we can just do pod, and we can do describe, so we can get more information on what's going on. We can see right here, right here, warning, failed mount. The mount volume setup failed for nginx config. Config map nginx configuration not found, so you cannot find this nginx configuration. We can do a get config maps. Okay, so it looks like there's a name mismatch. This one is looking for the nginx configuration, and the config map is actually called nginx config map. So you can do a edit deployment nginx deployment, and we can fix that real quick. We can go to right here. This is the name that it's looking for, but that is the incorrect name, so we need to go to config map. Is that what it's called? I can open a new tab just to confirm the name because I forgot it already. Okay, get config maps. So let me just go ahead and copy that just in case, because you never know. Paste it right there. Awesome. Cool beans. We can clear this out. Let's see. Get pod. It is still not running. Okay. Let's go ahead and delete this guy. We don't need it anymore. Delete pod, and we can say force. It's still there. Interesting. But the one that we want to focus on is this guy right here. So if we do a logs, or let's do a describe pod, and we can specify this pod. This one is the latest one. And now you can see right now. Okay, so we can actually take a look at this. There's a container nginx, the latest one. It is waiting for the init, probably. Yep, it does have an init in here. It is a BC box, and this is the command that it's trying to do. Okay, if we scroll down to the error, you can see right now that it cannot find shell. Executable file not found in path, so it is on none. Okay, what if we do, let's take a look at the container error. So if we do logs pod, and what is a pod? And what was this guy right here? All right, and then we can say like init container. There's no logs in it. How about the other one? What was the other one? Instead of the CF, we can say A4. It's just saying that it's waiting to start. Okay. So what we can do, interesting. So let's go ahead and go to deployments. but actually, let me go ahead and get deployment nginx, and I just want to export this as a YAML file, and let's call it nginx that YAML, unless it is in there, right? Yep, it is. Okay, delete this deployment. I just want to force it. All right. Oh, forgot to specify the name. nginx. There we go. See you later. Okay. Get pod. It's Gonzo. Okay, so it's bye-byes. It went bye-byes. So if we go to Vim nginx YAML file, let's take a look at this. So it's running the shell file. Okay. What is the, maybe we, instead of shell, maybe we'll make this sh. Would that work? Okay. Create. So let's go ahead and create this deployment real quick. There we go. Create it. Okay. Get pod. Still in error state. Why? Why is that? Describe. There's nothing there. Doesn't really tell me anything. In pod deployment, blah, blah, blah. Backing off. Nothing there. Can we do logs? Pod. There's only one pod in there. The init container. SA can't open echo. Let's do a cat to the nginx YAML file that we got. And specifically, we gotta take a look at this command. It looks like this command is failing. sh echo. I think we need like a -c for the command, right? sh command. Let's take a look at the init container in here. Init containers. Let's see how they're done. sh c -c, and these are bc box 2, which is the same. So I think we need that -c, so then it can run the command, right? You should say shell, and then I want to run a command, and here's the command that I want to run. So I think we need that c right there for the command. All right. So then what I want to do is delete deployment. I just want to delete this deployment so we can refresh. Right. Then we do vim nginx .yaml, and I use vim. I don't use nano anymore, guys. I'm doing good. What's up? I'm learning. And what is it? Right here. Okay. Insert mode. Let's see. I think that looks good. Let's go ahead and save this real quick. Okay, get pod. There's nothing here. Yep. So let's go ahead and create f nginx for the file. Okay, get pod. Needs to put the T in there. Pod initialization. Running. Let's go. I fixed that issue. So it took me 10 minutes. That's not bad. Let's go ahead and check it. Make sure it's good. Validation successful. Awesome. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button. I think there's a like button. There's a share button down there too. Go ahead and share this with everybody. Share on Reddit. Share everywhere. We are going to get the CKA. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.